Today, I'm going to show you how you can get millions of views and thousands of dollars, all thanks to the simplest kind of content created by AI, which you can easily find on YouTube. It typically takes only 6 minutes to produce a video that can go viral. In this video, I will reveal all the tools and secrets that people in this niche use to generate income. Please pay close attention and don't skip any part of this video, as every detail is crucial. Now let's dive into this video and get started. To begin, we need to analyze the videos that our competitors are creating. As we can see, their recent videos have garnered millions and hundreds of thousands of views. This indicates that this niche is highly popular, and we can confidently create this content knowing that there is a very high probability of us receiving a substantial number of views. Now, we are ready to commence the video production process. First step is to go to the Midjourney or Leonardo to generate images for our content. I'll use Leonardo, but you can use Midjourney or any other analogs of these services. Our goal now is to create unique images of 8 Marvel superheroes in some unusual situations. For instance, now go to AI image generation. Scroll down and select input dimensions as 768 by 1360. I'll search for Fat Iron Man for Marvel Realistic Full Body HDRT. Now Leonardo is generating a picture that we will use after a short wait. We've got 4 different images, but I like this one, so I'll just download it. You'll need to do the same process 7 times more because we will need 8 images for one video. Now when this work is done, our images are ready, so we can move on. Next step is to go to canva.com. Here, we will make our final versions of the previous images. Click on Create a Design, then choose Presentation Mobile first. Here we need to select Uploads and upload our images that we've made in the Leonardo. Now our mission is to make this kind of image with a small version of a superhero. The bottom of it, to achieve it, we'll need to find pictures of each character in PNG format, or this, I'll use Google and remove GG. Firstly, use Google to find good images. For example, Deadpool full body. This one I like the most, so I'll download it. Next, I'll go to Remove PJ. We need to click Upload Image, and here it is. Our picture now is in PNG format. This process you'll need to repeat 7 times, or just download pictures in PNG format from the beginning. Without remove.gi, while this process will be easily done, you would just need to download all these pictures. Now let's go back to Canva and upload them here by clicking on the upload button. Currently, we need to work with each character and connect them as in the previous example. This is how it looks like. Don't forget to save each picture by clicking on share and download. So the editing process for this, I'll use CapCut, an almost free video editor. Let's click on import and add all essential images that we've created. Select them all and put them on the video track. I guess we missed something exactly. We don't know which length our video would be and where we should take the music. So let's back on YouTube and download the video from our competitor's channel to achieve this. I'll write doubles in the video link before the YouTube word. Now we are on the right site, which is called X2 Download. Here, we can download any YouTube MP3 that we want by clicking on the download button. After a while, the video has been successfully downloaded. Now we can go back to CapCut and make our video alright. Click on the audio tab, then select extracted audio. Click import and upload the recently downloaded audio file. Now we can see that the length of our video should be 12 seconds as in this video, but each clip lasts 5 seconds. It means we should reduce their duration. After doing some maths, we understand that each clip should be 2 seconds long. So let's edit this. Now only transitions left. Let's click on transitions, then camera, and take a left one. Just move it between all clips and make 0.6 seconds duration. Now our video looks similar to one that we've downloaded. Our job here is done. So we need to download this video by clicking export and then export again. That's it for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new here. I upload complete tutorials of AI tools and how to use the command prompt in a creative way, along with custom programming to get your job done easily.